Meanwhile, tonight, a new push for clues as the murder of a construction worker remains unsolved. The family of Jesse Solis believes he was murdered over money. Solis was found shot in his pickup at a construction site 3 years ago. Late tonight, KENS 5 reporter Henry Damos spoke with the victim's sister, who is not giving up hope.
It's unfair what happened to him.
Olivia Solis seeks the truth.
What happened? He got shot. We're like, what? What do you mean he got shot? He got shot right here in the cheek.
On January 13th, 2020, her younger brother, Jesus Jesse Solis, was found shot in his truck. His boss and coworkers made the disturbing discovery.
Thought that he was asleep because it was so dark and foggy, so they thought that he was asleep. Until they got closer, they realized what had happened.
San Antonio police say Jesse, who worked construction, was murdered. Investigators believe the motive could be robbery. Olivia says people knew her brother would carry large amounts of cash at all times.
He would cash his check and he would have his money. He would do a lot of labor work, 12-hour shifts. And it makes me very upset that somebody went out of their way to kill my brother for his money, the money that he earned, by working, labor.
Police say just 2 days before his murder, Jesse had just started work at the construction site off Eisenhower Road and Tranquil Dawn.
I believe that one of these days I'm going to get justice.
Henry Damos joins us live now from Public Safety Headquarters. And Henry, have investigators released any clues on the suspect?
Not at all, ECs. However, the sister believes that her brother knew his killer. She believes it was someone that he was close to or at least knew his routine. She doesn't believe this was random. Meanwhile, there's an urgent plea from police. Crime Stoppers is offering up to a $5,000 reward in this case. We're live downtown tonight. Henry Ramos, KENS 5. ECs.
Thank you, Henry.